Okay, Assalamualaikum and good mornings. My name is Muhammad Ifam Faizal. Okay, today I will present about the background of the Islamic banking that we choose to make a case study. Okay, Islamic banking that we choose to make a case study are SABC Amanah and Standard Chartered Sadiqs. Okay, let we start with the SABC Amanah first. Okay, SABC was established in 1884 by the Hong Kong and Shanghai Corporation on the island of the Penangs. Okay, SABC has been offering Islamic finance services since 1994. Okay, thirdly, SABC was promoted and introduced Islamic banking globally in 1990. In 2004, the SABC Amanah brand was launched globally with the aim of making SABC the leading provider of the Islamic banking services worldwide. Okay, fifthly, in November 2007, the SABC Bank was the first locally incorporated foreign bank in Malaysia to be awarded a license by the BNM to set upon Islamic banking subsidiary. Okay, sixthly, SABC Amanah Malaysia Berhad was fully fledged Islamic bank in August 2008. Next is Standard Chartered Sadiqs. Okay, Standard Chartered Sadiqs was established in 1875 on the island of Penangs. Okay, secondly, Standard Chartered become the first international bank in Malaysia to offer Islamic bank product and services in 1993. Okay, thirdly is Standard Chartered Sadiqs was incorporated in 2008 as a full-fledged Islamic banking subsidiary. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning. My name is Muhammad Akil Naufal bin Arman, number matrix 1035, and today I will be presenting on two things. The first one is methodology on these two banks, which is Standard Chartered Sadiq and also HSBC Amanah. The second one is our recommendation and also suggestion on how electronic banking can improve Islamic banks to provide better services. For methodology, I have divided into two components, which is the first one is research purpose, and also the second one is our research abstract. Research purpose is on how we want to have a better understanding on how the bank applies its services and also how financial institutions react when a pandemic occurs or any major disasters occurs in a country, how they react to a situation like this when everyone is at home and you have problems like you can't go to work, you can't go to the bank, you can't go to public places, and how these people react on handling the pandemic situation. And the third one is on how the bank spread the awareness for COVID-19 virus, because the bank is considered as a big figure, is a huge figure actually for the public, and when it delivers a message on awareness about the COVID-19 situation, it will affect a huge amount of people, and people will get to know about the information or awareness much more quicker. The second component is research approach. Research approach is how we approach bank or financial institutions to get information or data about how the bank works or how it applies the products or anything from these two banks, which is Standard Chartered Sadiq and also HSBC Amanah. One of the ways we approach the bank is by using their official website. So their official website provides about information on how the products work, like financing, investment, making a savings account, credit card, everything has been stated on the official website. So from there we have gathered some information on how these products work. The second one is third-party websites. Third-party websites are websites that are associated with the banks and have legitimate information on how the products work. This is important because when we are carrying a research, we need valid information and also legitimate, because with a false information, it will cause misleading information to other people, which is very dangerous and also very harmful and can create a chaos situation.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sadiq Najwan bin Salihuddin. My matrix number F1030. Okay, now I'm gonna explain about product that offer in Standard Chartered Sadiq Berhad. Okay, first they have Deposit I. Deposit I is aimed to gain potential to earn competitive returns on deposit with term deposit I. This is a world-class Islamic account that is designed for short-term investment. By using Wadi'ah Yadul Amanah contract, bank use depositors' funds to do business with the third party, and profit will be divided among banks and depositors. Depositor will enjoy a fixed profit rate from their saving. Okay, second, Standard Chartered have priority plus saving account I. This account assists us in growing our wealth and complement our banking need with exclusive privilege. Depositors will save money into this account with the aim of multiplying the money to get what they want, to get what they need. Okay, bank use depositor funds to invest so that the dreams of depositor can be achieved. The more we save, the more money we will get. Okay. Third, they have Tawarruk Just One account. This is Islamic financing facility that is designed based on the concept of commodity murabahah to fulfill our lifestyle needs. This is just like any other personal financing at others bank. The last one is Sadiq My Homes One I. This is a home financing facility equipped with an easy-to-use operating profit distributions investment account, designed to save on your home financing costs, which is they are cheaper than others product from other banks. Okay, now we go to the product that offer in HSBC Amanah. First, they have a debit card product, which is HSBC Everyday Global Account, HSBC Amanah Advance, Basic Saving or Basic Current Account, Term Deposit I, and Junior Top Rate Statement Saving Account I. And also they have a good credit card product, which is SHBC Amanah Empower Platinum Credit Card I and SHBC Amanah Premier World Mastercard Credit I. And of course they are banks, so they have financing product. They have personal financing for education, and also for housing. Now we go to the electronic banking services that offer in Standard Chartered Sadiq. First, of course, they have ATM. A total of 34 Standard Chartered ATMs are available throughout Malaysia. Then they have online banking by using website e-banking Standard Chartered, or else we can search, we can use Play Store or App Store to download Standard Chartered mobile apps. And then they have phones banking services. This method by way of the customer can dial the phone number of the bank. And last but not least, they have banking alert. What is banking? They use SMS or email to notice the customer about risk and fraud that can occur to the customer account.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nawawi bin Razman. My matrix number is 1017. Okay, I will present about the detail of electronic banking services offered by HSBC Amanah. The first one is mobile banking. Mobile banking, HSBC provide the services because the mobile banking had a lot of advantage for the electronic banking. The advantage of mobile banking is to the customer who has internet can access all about their account without limits. And the second one is online banking. Online banking is like e-wallet. It is because HSBC Amanah, the reward who use the online banking, they can be rewarded with monthly cashback from 1 June 2020 until 31 January 2021. When you perform online transaction to earn entities, the more you transact, the higher the chances of your winning the monthly cashback. Okay, so the third one is telebanking. HSBC Amanah provide these services for making banking faster, easier than safer. The feature that telebanking has a voice ID makes banking over the phones more efficient and secure by turning your voice into your password. Other than that, telebanking have more feature that the customer can enjoy at your fingertips. It is make credit card payment, check reward points and requests for each cash advance, get foreign exchange rates, reset your telebanking personal identification number, and online banking login. And fourth one is remote engagement services. Remote engagement services is an alternate channel for customer to interact with the bank without the need to the physically present at the branches. The services is supported by Zoom. Okay, the last one is express banking or ATM. Most of the bank has provide ATM machines. So HSBC also provide the ATM 24 hours. Express banking lobbies allow customer to perform most of your banking transaction whenever you want, so you can enjoy prompt services. There is the services client can use cash withdraw up to 5,000 per day. So ATM has another features is cash advance, pin change, language selection, can change to English, Bahasa Malaysia or Mandarin. Other features is fund transfer, interbank gyro, instant transfer, checkbook request, statement request, multiple account access on the same HSBC Amanah Visa Debit. So that's all from me.
Hi guys, so my name is Muhammad Afaiman bin Lokman. My metric number is 23 DIB 18F1015. So I will present about the current promotion or campaign that offered by the Islamic Bank, which is HSBC Amanah and Standard Chartered Study. So let's start. So we start with HSBC Amanah, which is they provide a welcome gift and cash bonus that worth up to 90 ringgit have been awarded to customers who sign up for the Pulse Words. So what it means, the Pulse Word? Pulse Word is the bonus that given by the bank to the customer who purchased the product and used it. So, what's the benefit on the Pulse Word that HSBC given to the customer, which is for the financial gains, saving and convenience. So the second one is saving. They have no withdrawal fee at over 10,000 nationwide maps ATM. So for the instant recognition, as an HSBC Amanah Premier or advanced customer, they have no monthly fee. That means every single customer use their product in saving, they have not to pay the monthly fee. So they have a saving for the paid monthly, so it's a good for the customer. So the last one, the convenience, which is as a customer we can access to HSBC global network ATM in over 70 countries and fast customer service because they have a nationwide branches, and you can pay any bills easily because we are joint pay to over 5,000 billers that you can use, and yeah, it's more easy to pay your bill, your any payment that you want. Just use JomPay on HSBC. So I will go through the second bank, that is Standard Chartered Study, which is they are provide to enjoy the fixed profit rate and flexible tonnage on the customer deposit with the Standard Chartered Study Term Deposit I. And the second one, they are provide to the customer to protect their saving according to the Sharia principle with Standard Chartered Study Basic Account I. So they have a two current promotion that they provide to the customer during the pandemic. So I will go through the first one first. So the first one, Standard Chartered Study Term Deposit I, which is the customer can gain potential to earn competitive return on their deposit with Term Deposit I. And the best part is this Term Deposit I is followed by Islamic compliance, which is the Islamic concept of community murabaha, and they have a wide range of tenorage option. So the second one is Standard Chartered Study Basic Account I, which is to manage and protect their saving with basic account. So this account is based on Sharia compliance, that's principle of CAD. Then they have a complete facilities, not like the Term Deposit I. So strategy during COVID-19 pandemic for each bank, the HSBC Amanah and Standard Chartered Study, exactly the common way that any branches in worldwide are Malaysia use right now. So the first one, they provide ATM or cash machine like normally, but any withdraw by the customer that have no charge service. So next is business not carried out as usually during the MCO period to ensure the social distancing are complied for the safety and health of customer and staff of financial service provider. So it means customer and staff will follow the SOP like social distancing, use the sanitizer for their healthy. So there are more common things that people will do right now. So they need to bring it in their branch to make sure the business will run as normal. by follow the SOP.
Okay, now I will present about the comparison between HSBC Amanah and Standard Chartered SADIQ. So the first comparison, as you can see from my slide, is product. So HSBC has provide a lot of product. The product they have is 10 banking product for their client they provides. And the Standard Chartered provide 5 banking product for their client. So the second one, the difference is about electronic product and services. HSBC Amanah provide many types of electronic banking. One of the services is the Standard Chartered don't have is remote engagement service. So remote engagement service is the customer don't have to physically go to branch, just can connect with bank with Zoom. So the Standard Chartered SADIQ provide many type of electronic banking, but they did not provide remote engagement services. So the customer for Standard Chartered just and can go to branch or use online banking to connect with bank. Okay, we go for the third one, the award bank get in 2020. For this year, HSBC Amanah get 16 award. One of the award is Best International Bank Malaysia Asia Money Best Bank Award 2020. For Standard Chartered SADIQ get 11 award. One of the award is Best Islamic Digital Bank in Malaysia 2020 by Global Finance for Standard Chartered SADIQ for the 4th consecutive year. And the last one, current promotion for client, a welcome gift and cash bonus was up to RM90 ringgit have been awarded to customer who sign up for perks or work. And for Standard Chartered SADIQ, enjoy fixed profit rate and flexible tenors on your deposit with the Standard Chartered SADIQ term deposit. So that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Next, I will go on how electronic banking can improve Islamic bank services. The first one is software. Software is when Islamic bank develops an app. The app will be used throughout the country or throughout the world, I would say, and that would cause a huge amount of users. When you have a huge amount of users, they will be using the app simultaneously. So you need a high-end server to accommodate that amount of users, which is very important because without a high-end software, it will cause the app to mostly crash and end up people are not going to use the app and ends up making a bad impression towards the bank. The second one is hardware. Hardware is also very important because when you're building a high-end server, you need a high-end software and also a high-end hardware. Both of them are very important and complete each other's roles because with a high-end hardware and also a high-end software, it will create a very good performance. The third one, which is very important, is security. Security for an app is important because you hold private information and also you hold someone's money. Whether it's small amount or huge amount, it is a matter of trust with the customer itself. If you do not have a secured app, it would cause the app to be hacked or hijacked by other entities, which would cause the chaos to the customers and also to the bank itself. Fourth is chat ops. Chat ops is one of the features that is lately being very, very interesting. And as an example, our M-Campus with Maybank, when we were signing up for the M-Campus program. And it was very interesting. I had a good experience with it. And it is a very good feature for banks to use to make signing up for some petition or contract or any kind of form much more interesting and would make the customer much more happy.